What is going on, guys? So we are super late today. I'm telling you, it's almost, let's see, I think it's almost like 5 o'clock. It's 4:20 right now, and we're finally getting up and started. So I only got about an hour or so left of daylight. So today I just want to really get the silver car ready for tomorrow. So I'm gonna take out the hood, take out the front wheels. I'm gonna see if I can loosen up the axle nuts too also today before I jack it all up. And then tomorrow I'll start taking it all apart. So that's what we'll do in this little video today, and then yeah, we'll take it apart tomorrow, clean it hopefully, and then put the motor on the blue car on Sunday. So that's the goal. Just follow along, guys. way too easy. Didn't work. It just sunk. That's pretty funny. That was funny right there. Alright guys, so in case you haven't seen the rest of the video, so the reason we got this car was to save money. I needed that transmission. This one's supposed to be good, so I needed that transmission. That was going to cost me about $700 to $800 to get one used from someone else, and this car came up for sale for $500. So I have an engine, a whole turbo setup, transmission, and the best part is random bolts and stuff that I need for the blue car, I can find them on this car. It's perfect. So, in summary, if you are working on a project car, right, and it's a shell type project, kind of like the one I bought, the blue one, and you find a parts car with a blown motor, for example, something blown, whatever it is, and it makes sense, might as well just pick up that car, you know. That way you have a whole nother car that you can reference. A, right? A, reference. B, when you're putting the main car together, if you need a random bolt, nut, whatever it is, you can get it off the parts car, right? And the best part is, once you're done using whatever it is you need to use, you can probably sell some stuff, make some of your money back from the original purchase, scrap it, whatever it is, and be good. Alright guys, so this is gonna be it for this video. The sun is starting to go down. It's time for some food. Gotta take care of the dogs. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I actually have some plans for that silver car in the near future. It's gonna be more my template for a little bit of an obnoxious project that I have in mind. So make sure you do that, guys. Stay tuned, and tomorrow it's gonna be the big day. Take everything out, clean it, and go from there. All right guys, so enjoy the rest of the weekend, have a good one, and I'll see you for the next one.